Let me continue with solving some more problems about the interpolation, because the university usually the interpolation is the most important part of the course. But before that, let me ask you to subscribe to my channel and please try to watch my videos online. Let me first write the problem. The problem says that if P of x be a polynomial that interpolate f of x at n plus 1 nodal points. When we say nodal point, it means that these n plus 1 points are mutually distinct. Okay? Call the points x0, x1 to xn. Show that f of x minus p of x equal to sum I from 0 to n f at xi minus f, let me fix something, f of x minus f of xi times li of x. We want to prove something like this. Here we know that where li of x are the Lagrange polynomials corresponding to xi for I equal to 0, 1 to n. Okay? Now, let me try to show the desired result. For to solve the problem, we start from right hand side. Okay? We have right hand side equal to sum I from 0 to n f of x minus f of xi times li of x. Okay? Multiply li of x to the, in fact, these two items and split the sum. So I will have I equal to 0 to n f of x li x minus sum I from 0 to n f of xi times li x. Okay? Now, note that we know that this one is p of x. Why? Because by the assumption of the problem, p of x is a polynomial that interpolate f at n plus 1 nodal point, and we know that by the Lagrange formula this will be p. Okay? And so we can write, note here, f of x is independent of I, so I can move out f of x. So it is f of x sum I from 0 to n li of x minus p of x. But I proved in the two previous problems this summation is equal to 1. Okay? Move back to two video before. Okay? So I will have something like this. Okay? So this is equal to f of x minus p of x, and this is the left hand side. Easy. I proved the problem easily. There is no, in fact, difficulties in this problem. In the next video, I will continue to solve some more problems. So please follow me and wait for the next problem. Thank you.